readers. Has it ever happened to you when you're just reading along and things are going fine and dandy and it's good? You're looking at pictures, you're understanding the pattern, you're using sight words, you're checking the letters, you're having a great reading time. All is well, and then, whoa, what? You get stuck. You point under a word and then you can't say it because you don't know what the word says. Well, I'm here to tell you that when reading isn't that easy for you, that's actually a good thing. That means you're reading a harder book that's just right for you and you're growing your brain. And expect that sometimes words won't be easy. And that's why you have sound powers. Here is one tip about sound power. You can't use it from far away. You can't just point and know the word. You have to get nose close to the word and go sound by sound, blending them together until it sounds like a word that you know and sounds like a word that would make sense in that spot. You can use the picture and the rest of the sentence to see, is that the right word? Wait, that sounds like a word I know. Could that be it? Let me show you how I do this in our book, Soccer Game. All right, so I was reading this book, Soccer Game, and I wanted to show you something that happened to me. Okay, I know that word. That's a sight word. Big word, and I don't know it. Here's a trick. I can get out a little piece of paper. I'm going to use a Post-it sticky note, but you can use any piece of paper you have. You could even use like a napkin. Whatever you have in your house will work. Watch what I do. I'm going to go sound by sound. I'm going to cover most of the letters and just leave the first one. Okay, what sound does S make? S. Now I'm going to open it up to the next sound. What sound does O make? I told you, octopus, or O, ocean. We might have to try both. Let's start by trying the sound. If it doesn't work, we can go back and change it to the O sound. So we have saw. Okay, I have saw. Now I need to blend to the next sound. Sock, sock. Another k, sock, 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 soccer, soccer. Oh, that sounds like soccer. And that would make sense. That goes with the picture, that goes with what's going on. At soccer, I meet lots of new friends. See how I did that with my little piece of paper? I went one sound at a time and blended it in. I started with s, then I added sa, sock, 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 soccer. And then I said soccer? Oh, soccer. See how that works? Sometimes you have to adjust it a little bit. You have to maybe change the sound a tiny bit to make it sound like a word you know. Okay. I want you to help me on one of these next pages. I'll keep reading. Coach Green helps us warm up to get ready. I don't know that word. Can you help me? I'm going to get out my little piece of paper. What sound does that letter make? Okay, I got to add in the sounds. Or a. Let's try and first. If it doesn't work, we can go back and change that A to the long A sound. Ready? Blend them together. Ma. What sound does that letter make? So we have mar. Let's keep going. Ooh. Bling, 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 bling. Should I separate the C and the H and go k, huh? No. CH, they join together. They're a special blend that work together to make a different sound. What sound does CH make? Ch, like chair. We have mar and ch. Put it together. March. See how that works? Now let's look at the picture. Could that be March? Look at what that boy's doing. We march. Amazing. We march like we are in a parade. All right there, readers. Today, as you're reading your books, I want you to get out a little piece of paper. Any little piece of paper you have in your house is fine. Again, even if it's like a napkin, great, whatever you have. I use the sticky note. If you have a sticky note, those work really well. And then every time you get to a tricky word, go sound by sound, blending in one sound at a time until it sounds like a word you know and a word that would make sense there. Happy reading! Pause now to do your reading homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de lectura. Read your books. As you are reading, use a little piece of paper, like a sticky note or a receipt, to help you solve tricky words. Blend the sounds in one by one until it sounds like a word you know and a word that would make sense in that spot. Lee tus libros. Mientras lees, usa un papelito como